Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, class, before we start our lesson today, please recite Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, I will check your present list first. For those whose name I mentioned, please raise your hand and say present. Okay, Muhammad Sambahri,
Present.
Rabila Asmi,
Present.
Ella Novitasari.
Present, Miss.
Okay, complete. Okay, so good morning, class. How are you today?
Morning,
Good morning, Miss.
Miss.
Alhamdulillah. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. So, we are going to start a new topic today. Are you ready, class?
Ready, Miss.
Yes.
Ready, Miss.
Okay, Sam, please next slide. Okay, so class, please take a look at these pictures. I will read the sentences for you. Okay, Malta has colorful fishing boots. The fishermen have traditional boots. Okay, so from the examples that I have read before, could you guess what material that will be learned today?
About have and have.
Exactly. So let's continue our next activity. Okay, please Sam, next slide. Okay, so please pay attention in this PPT because I'm going to explain the material. So in today's meeting, we are going to learn about the use of has and have in form of positive sentence using simple present tense. So are you curious about it?
Yes.
Miss.
Yes. Okay, let's continue. So the first is the definition. There are have and has. For the first is have. Have is the root verb and is generally used alongside the pronouns I, you, we, they, and plural nouns. Generally, have is a present tense word. For has is used alongside the pronouns it, he, and she, and singular nouns. In general, has is also present tense word. Okay, so next. Okay, the function of using has and have in simple present tense is to show the position atau kepemilikan. Nah, jadi ketika kalian menggunakan sentence ini, kalian biasanya menyatakan kepemilikan atas suatu barang, about the things. Okay, next. So there are the formula of has and have. The first formula is for using has. When you want to use has in your sentence, please pay attention to the singular pronouns. There are he, she, it plus has plus object. And then the second formula is the using of have. For the subject is I, you, we, they plus have plus object. Okay, I will show you the example. Next slide. So this is the example of using has. Right. So she has a great personality. He has a new haircut. It has a hole near the door. The cat has four legs. So don't forget to pay attention to the pronouns. If you use she, don't forget to use has, and then you can add the object and so on. Okay, next example of using have. This is the example of using have. For example, I will read to you. I have a great English teacher. You have toothpaste on your chin. We have a meeting at 12 a.m. Nurses have a difficult job. Nah, jadi ketika kalian menggunakan have, itu diikuti dengan kata-kata ganti misalnya saya, aku, kita, dan mereka. Nah, kemudian ketika kalian ingin menggunakannya gunakan plural nouns. Nah, ini contohnya yang di contoh tadi, ini ada nurses have a difficult job. Next. Nah, so far, do you have any question, class? Do you understand?
Yes, Miss. I understand.
Miss.
Okay, so the next session is task section. Well, class, since you have understood about the material, please write 5 sentences that consist of has or have. Bebas ya, kalian bisa gunakan has atau have, tapi sesuaikan dengan pronouns-nya. Okay. Don't forget to write them in a good grammar. Do it by yourself and I'll give you some time to finish it. Nah, jadi kalian bikin aja 5 kalimat, tapi harus ada kata has atau have. Terserah kalian mau pakai kata ganti apa. Silahkan dikerjakan. I will give you some time to finish it. After that, I will ask you to read your work.
Write in chat, ma'am.
No, you have to answer it by you just speak it. Okay. Okay, student, time is up. It is time to present your work. You just have to read it one by one. I'll directly give command if there is any grammatical error. Be ready because I choose you randomly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So, Rabila first.
Yes.
Please
I
present
read
your work.
it. She has great hair.
Hmm.
He has long legs. I have a cat. My brother has a computer. And we have a new camera.
Okay, so Rabila, there is no grammatical error in your 5 sentences, jadi sudah bagus ya. Ini Rabila sudah bagus, penggunaannya sudah tepat, penggunaan has and have-nya disesuaikan juga dengan kata gantinya. Oke, kemudian overall udah bagus ya, correct Rabila. Kemudian selanjutnya next, Dela Novitasari.
Yes, Miss.
Please present your work.
Using have, right?
Yes, and has.
And have. How many have and has?
It's up to you.
Okay, up to me. First, using have, I have a piece of cake. You have a pretty face. The second is has. She has beautiful eyes. He has a lot of money.
Okay, so correct ya. Same with Rabila. There is no grammatical errors in your sentences. Okay, great job Dela Novitasari. Okay, for the last, Muhammad Sambahri, please present your work.
Okay. I have a house. And then I have a tiger. And then she has a new dress. And then he has a new haircut. And the last, my little brother has a new toy.
Okay, great job Sambahri. There is no grammatical errors. Okay, I can conclude that you all have understood about the materials that I have taught before. Nah, jadi penggunaan has dan have itu kalian sudah bisa membedakan ya. kapan menggunakan kata has, kemudian kapan menggunakan kata have. Okay, give applause for you all. You do good work, student. So, next slide, Sam. Okay, so the next task is you have to create 5 sentences again that consist of has or have in a good grammar, of course, related to the pictures that I show in PPT and PowerPoint. You have to create the sentences orally, so focus on the pictures. I'll choose you one by one again. Are you ready, class?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so let's start from the boys. Muhammad Sambahri.
Okay. It has a red eye.
Hmm.
It has 2 ears. It has a tail. It has 4 legs, and it has 2 colors. I don't know.
Okay, good job, Sambahri. Okay, please give applause for Sambahri. And then next slide for Abila.
It has 2 ears. It has blue eyes. The rabbit has cute face. The rabbit has a short tail. And the rabbit has 4 legs.
Okay, correct, Rabila. Please give applause. There is no grammatical errors. Give applause for Rabila Asmi. And the last is Della Novitasari. Please present your work.
It has 3 cameras.
Mhm.
It has gray color. It has apple brand.
Yes.
Then it has persegi panjang. Persegi
Square?
panjang in square. Huh?
Rectangle.
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 Rectangle shape. And the last is it has black screen.
Okay, correct. Della Novitasari, please give applause for you. Okay, so class, I can assume that you have understood the materials that we have discussed today. Since our time is almost over, let's conclude together our lesson today. So I will ask you one by one about the materials today. What we have learned today, Rabila?
We have learned about has and have.
Okay, correct. For Dela Novitasari, how do we use has and have in sentence?
We use has for singular pronouns and have for plural pronouns.
Okay, correct. So for the last, Sam, please give me an example of using has and have.
I have a new phone.
Okay.
More?
Yes. One more.
Della has a big eyes.
Okay. Okay, correct. So please give applause for you all. Okay, so well done, class. We have learned many things today. We will stop here and we will continue next week. To end our lesson today, let's recite Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, class, thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy the class. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.